Yes, it's sometimes possible to reset your Volvo XC90 infotainment system without the PIN, but proceed with caution. The feasibility depends on your car's model year and software version. Older models from 2016 to 2022 running Census Connect might be more vulnerable to bypass methods. Newer, Android-based systems from 2020 onward have enhanced security, making PIN bypasses harder due to stronger encryption and online verification. Attempting unauthorized resets can void warranties, cause data loss, system instability, or trigger anti-theft features. Always prioritize official methods or consult a Volvo dealer. We'll cover some potential methods next, but remember, proceed at your own risk. While not recommended, some methods to try involve specific button combinations for a hard reset or disconnecting the car battery. Third-party tools or scripts found online may claim to bypass the PIN, but these pose significant security risks, including malware and data theft. Bypassing the PIN might also violate anti-tampering laws. Modern systems increasingly use cloud-integrated resets, requiring online verification via Volvo's servers. If you're locked out due to a forgotten PIN, contact a certified Volvo dealer for assistance. They have access to official diagnostic tools like Volvo Vita and can perform a secure reset. They can also ensure your system is updated with the latest security patches. Remember to back up any important data via USB or cloud sync before attempting any reset.